Your car might look clean, but wait until you see what's hiding between these seats. Today, we tested the top best car vacuum cleaners that everyone in America is talking about right now. From insane suction power to cleaning impossible corners, these vacuums can completely transform a dirty car interior in minutes. But here's the surprise. One of these vacuums costs way less than you'd expect and actually outperformed some expensive models. So before you waste your money stay till the end because the #1 pick shocked us the most. Let's find out which car vacuum is truly worth buying in 2026. Starting off our list at number 3, we have the Blestan Handheld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you're looking for a budget-friendly car vacuum that gets the job done, this one is definitely worth considering. It's lightweight, casual, cordless, and comes with useful attachments for cleaning seats, floor mats, cup holders, and other hard-to-reach areas. The compact design makes it easy to store inside your vehicle. It's family outings or daily commutes. While it may not be the most powerful vacuum on today's list, it offers impressive value for the price. Moving on to 2, the Fanttik V8 Apex. The Fanttik V8 Apex delivers stronger power, premium build quality, and excellent portability. Whether you're dealing with pet hair or snack crumbs, this vacuum handles it with ease. One feature that really stands out is its modern design and convenient accessories. It's built for people who want a cleaner car without spending a lot of time on maintenance. And finally, our #1 pick, the KMM Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum offers the best combination of power, versatility, and value. It's just a vacuum. This device functions as an air duster, helping you clean vents, dashboards, and keyboards. The powerful suction handles messes with ease, while attachments make cleaning every corner of your vehicle simple and efficient. It's lightweight, easy to use, and delivers performance that rivals much expensive options. For most drivers, the KMM provides everything you need in a portable car vacuum, which is why it takes our #1 spot. That's our list of the top 3 best car vacuum cleaners available right now. Check the links below to see current pricing and availability. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which vacuum you would choose for your car.